Alright, car shoppers, welcome back to Lexus of Wilmington. Just sat in our inventories is 2015 Lexus ES350. This one is dark blue. Got tan leather interior, power bucket seats, front heated and cooled seats, heated steering, power rear shade, CD, satellite radio, navigation, rear view camera, wood and leather steering, and 56,000 miles. There's your sunroof. Plenty of room here in the back seat. Lexus wheels. Plenty of room here in the trunk area. Right here at Lexus Wilmington. Looking for more information on this 15 ES or any of the other most 100 vehicles in our pre-owned inventory in our 90,000 square foot pre-owned showroom. That's right. When you can hear the Lexus of Wilmington, you do your car shopping indoors to avoid the elements of the weather. Stay warm, stay cool, stay dry when you car shop inside at Lexus of Wilmington. Go to lexusofwilmington.com for more information.